welcome to Granny's Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet Jacob's ladder stitch. Step 1. Make chain 27 or any multiple of 5 plus 2. Now make 1 double crochet in 4 chain from the hook and make 1 double crochet in each stitch across. So this is my last double crochet. Here I am changing new color. If you want to use same color, you can make it with the same color without changing any color. Just continue as I am doing. Step 2. Make chain 3. This will count as your first double crochet. Now make 4 more double crochet, total 5 double crochet. So 2, 3, 4, and then 1 more, 5. Now make chain 10. Now make slip stitch on side top of last double crochet like this. To make the loop, make 5 more double crochet. Chain 10. Slip stitch on side top of last double crochet. Insert your hook like this from the side. Grab the yarn and make slip stitch. Again make 5 double crochet and again a loop. Repeat this pattern all over until you reach the end. Step 3. Make chain 1 and make 5 single crochet in next 5 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Keep the loop aside like this and continue making single crochet like this. 5 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and again 5. Again push the loop aside and again continue making single crochet. Repeat this all over until you reach the end. In the end I am again switching new color. You can do with the same color. Repeat step 2 and 3 to make as many rounds as you want. Now we'll chain these loops. I'm using crochet hook. Leave the last loop as it is. You can use hands also. Use your fingers like this. I'm again changing my color. You can make with the same color if you like. Step 4, make chain 3. This will count as the first double crochet. And make 1 double crochet in each stitch across until you reach the end. Step 5, make chain 1 and turn your work. Now make 5 single crochet in next 5 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 5th one, catch the loop from behind. Grab the yarn and then make single crochet. Make 5 more single crochet like this, and in the 5th one catch the loop again and then continue making single crochet. Repeat this pattern all over until you reach the end. Step 6, make chain 3. I'm gonna make one more row of double crochet to balance my work. So make 1 double crochet across. In the end, make chain 1 and cut the yarn. Pull the strand. Hide all the ends with yarn needle like this. You can use this technique to hide this end because this strand is so small. That's why I'm using this technique. So this is the final look of Jacob's ladder stitch. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.